So our pickup truck left us here to walk for 3 kilometers in the desert wilderness at the peak of the sun, almost 1 o'clock, 1 p.m. I'm the last in the group. Ito mag-adventure ka, maglakad. So I'm covered with thermal jacket, courtesy of Shopee. Tignan natin. Kasi yung car daw hindi makapasok dito, despite na 4x4 yon. Tignan mo naman yung road. So we have to take a walk. Tignan natin. Sobrang init. We're near the border with Saudi Arabia daw. Ito na yung opportunity to test yung walking skills. I'm the last na sa group. Kumuha ko ng tubig from the pickup. Nakapalibot. Ano to? Mga vultures, just in case you die here in the desert. Nakapalibot yun, Dalawang mga grabe. Matindi yung walking to. Tingnan mo nakapalibot. Matindi na desert adventure to. On foot, tapos sobrang init. Past 1 o'clock. Hindi pa kami nakapag-lunch.